Hello everyone. Today we're going to use pattern shapes to learn about symmetry. Now this is an interactive tool, and first of all we're going to learn how the tools work in order to help us accomplish our goal of showing symmetry. So firstly, you'll see that there are some shapes on the side and there's some tools down the bottom, and these tools down the bottom help to make designing and manipulating the shapes very easy. So first of all, I'm going to place this shape in the center, and you will see immediately that at the top there's this circle that comes up, and if you click on this you can rotate. So this is very helpful when you want to move shapes around, and if I don't want my shape there, I just simply click on it and I can move it anywhere in this white work surface that I want. Down the bottom I can also change the size of my shape too. So this is selected because you can see that this circle is appearing, and if I go down here and click, I can change the size just by clicking this icon here. I'm happy with the size that it is, so I'm going to leave it. Now if I want more of this shape, I can duplicate it. I don't have to keep dragging it here from the side. So down the bottom there's a duplicate shape, and that's this icon here, and it says duplicate. So I'm just going to click and it duplicates, and I can move that and I can drag it wherever I want on this white surface. If I don't want something, I can click on the bin and it will go to the bin just like it says here. So I'm going to add some other shapes to my design, and I just go to the side and I just drag and I can position wherever I want. So I don't want to make this too complicated, so I'm just going to put things on the side like this. And as I can see, this doesn't fit the way that I want, so I just click and rotate and just move things around until they fit into the position that I want. And you can see that this is really quick and easy. It's not very difficult to do, and I just keep moving things until I'm happy with where they are. And then the purpose of this task is to create a simple design and to show as many lines of symmetry as I can. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use some of the tools that are here on the side. So here is a line tool, so I'm going to use that, and you can see that this has appeared. So I'm going to click one of these handles and I can change the size, and I'm going to use this to show my lines of symmetry. So I'm going to extend this line just by clicking on the square, and I can see that I've got one line of symmetry going down here. When I click away, the line disappears. Now I'm going to make things easy for myself. I'm going to click on it again and I'm going to duplicate, and then I'm going to see if I can rotate it and move it into another position to show another line of symmetry. I can also, I'll see if I can change the color, because that will also show that it's another line of symmetry, and I'm going to change it to orange, and like so. So you can continue drawing or duplicating lines. I might just draw a line like so and move it into position. And I'm going to change color. I'm going to make this one purple, and I'll draw another line and add it in. Change the color. I'll make this one, might make this one red, and there we go. And so just by using these tools, oops, that's not quite lined up, I can create a simple design using 2D shapes, and I can show that it has multiple lines of symmetry. Now the next step is that I can also take a screenshot of this and put it on a Google slide, And then once I've done that, I can then start again and create more designs to show other symmetrical designs with these shapes, and continue exploring all different possible combinations of shapes and explore what sort of symmetry that they have, and continue adding that to my Google slide. Enjoy using this tool and exploring symmetry in shapes.